Esta mierda cada vez está más alta. Joder. Todo está mal. Bueno, ya veremos. This one did the job, but we need to clean it again. Okay. Drainage clean. Let's keep walking up. Okay. Another drainage. Well, second drainage completed. Okay, this one grows in the middle of the trail, so we basically need to use the machete. Now it looks like a chopped salad, and we just need to get out of the way. Beautiful. Looking good. Yes, sir. Another drainage I need to work on. They are doing their job, that's for sure. Okay, the first step is to make the dirt loose so you can actually clean the drainage. And then remove, look. Very good. Now the water will go out and not all the way down. Muy bien. Okay, very good. Looks like dry, good to ride, but look, no way. Another drainage that is clean, looking good. Let's keep walking up. This one did the job as well. All the water went out, and we basically need to clean it out, and that's it. But all of them are working so far. Okay, almost at the top. So we follow the trail and then slowly moving out, following the regular landscape that is going in that direction, and all the extra dirt go back into the trail to make a little bump or wall to avoid that the water keeps going all the way down. So this one is going to be good for another year. Esto es el equivalente a square dancing, ¿no? Oropo. ¿No?
Sí. La square dancing es más chingo.
La mierda. Mierdación, que mamazón. These plants we never did before, and they are a pain in the ass. We basically make a chopped salad to take it out of the way. Okay, let me remove it. Looking good. Perfect. Now we can keep walking. Another drainage that we almost missed was right there, and getting shut down. Okay, now we have a berm that we can turn and see. Cleaning. Looking good. Perfecto. Taking a little break and enjoying the view. Man. What up?
Water run.
Water run.
Water run.
That's the beauty of living close by. we run out of water, so we went out and get some more. Another drainage that we need to clean, but it's doing the work. All the water is getting out of the trail. So we clean all the area, and we basically need to dig to make the water go that way and not down this way, but it is working. I'm glad that everything that I did it like a year or 2 years ago is still working. Listo. Drainage clean all the way down to the bushes, and all the extra dirt goes back again into the trail, and we're making progress. I'm fucking tired. Another one that did a great job. All the water is coming down from there. It's out right there. We didn't make it to the top, but the water tank is right there. The other one is right there. And we're going back home. Shit. Sunset. Embadurnar con mantequilla el molde, paso 1. Marico, esa pulserita te deja de lo más gay, bueno.
De lo más parcha, ¿no?
La masa se va para ese molde y hay que esparcirla allá adentro. Ahora se tapa y se deja reposar ahí otra vez. Listo con el ajo, y lo pones entonces a baja temperatura en aceite de oliva el ajo. ¿Y para qué te sirve eso después?
Para
vino. Vamos a picarlas por la mitad. Por la mitad. Cebollita, mostaza Dijon y vino. ¿Cuánto?
Vale, te puedo ir. Ok. Vamos a así.
Necesito mozzarella. Listo. Pimienta. Albahaca basil. El enrollado de marihuana, pero de albahaca.
Un poquito más de... quemadito. Pero bueno.
Perfecto. Salud. Salud, pana.
Salud.
Ahí se quedó este pedazo.
Tengo.
Queso parmesano. Esta es cálida.
An
Italian bread.
Yes.
Bon appetit, my friend. El plato final.